Let's take a look at some student work from number 2 of your workshop. Take a look at student A and student B carefully and decide who accurately subtracted 703 minus 458. Go ahead and make a decision right now. Do you agree with student A or B? And start to take notes on why. Hide your letter in your lap. And when I say show, get ready to show me A or B, tall, high above your head. Get ready. Show. I see some A's and I see some B's, so let's talk about it. If you agree with student A, why? I hear friends say that they agree with student A because they realized that they did not have enough to subtract in the ones place, so they regrouped from the tens place. They recognized that we had 0 in the tens place, so they moved to the next place value to the left to take from the hundreds place. They regrouped 100 to the tens place, then added 10 to 3 to have 13. 13 minus 8 is 5, 100 minus 50 is 50, and 600 minus 400 is 200, for a total of 255. Interesting. If you agree with student B, why do you agree with student B? Say it out loud. I hear friends say that they agree with student B because student B also recognized they did not have enough to subtract in the ones place, so they went to regroup from the tens. They realized we had 0 in the tens place, so they moved to the next place value to the left and regrouped from the hundreds. They regrouped 100 to the tens place and then regrouped again so that we could move 10 to the ones place. They regrouped 10 from 100 to have 90 left in the tens place. And then we had 13 in the ones place. 13 minus 8 is 5, 90 minus 50 is 40, and 600 minus 400 is 200 for a total of 245. Interesting. Which one is correct? Why? You are exactly right. Student B is correct. Student B is correct because even though both teammates recognized that we did not have a value in the tens place and we needed to move to the left to regroup from the hundreds, this friend remembered that they had to regroup twice in order to get some ones back to the ones place. They regrouped 10 from 100 to have 90 left, and then moved 10 to add to the value that was already in the ones place 3 to have 13. This friends made a mistake because they regrouped 100 to the tens place, but then they stopped regrouping. How did this 3 become 13? We don't know because we see that they did not take 10 from the 100 that was in their tens place. This 13 seems like it fell from the air. What can we do when we have a 0 in the place value that we wanted to regroup from? What can we do when we have a 0 in the place value that we wanted to regroup from? Say it out loud. That's right. We can look to another place value to the left, in this case, to the hundreds, and regroup from that place value. Remember, team, you will have to regroup twice. That means 2 times in order to get the amount of ones you need to the ones place, just like our friend student B did.